I value persistence and consistency because they values guarantee by eventually success in any pursuit. That's why I'm regularly trained my English pronunciation. I never try, I never quit. I have an iron will. I have mental strength. I listen to the track interesting content while exaggerating my American accent. My skill is going higher and higher. While my confidence grows and grows, I'm become one of the best English speaker in the world. I am world class. Communicator, I'm a world class speaker. I'm a world class learner. English training is fun for me now. It's entertainment. I'm not excited and enthusiastic about never ending English improve. I'm inspired and inspiring others to also to great English speaker.